There are many exercises that can target the abdominal muscles when working out at home. A few examples include planks. Hold yourself in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground instead of your hands. Keep your core tight and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground towards your knees. Leg raises. Lie on your back with your hands at your sides. Raise your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them straight. Lower them back down to the starting position. Russian twist. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Hold a weight or a household object with both hands and lean back slightly. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left. It's important to remember to engage your core throughout each exercise and to breathe properly. Please also note that it's important to check with your doctor before starting any new exercise routine.